Hey guys, welcome back to this episode. how shameless of me to show face here and not explain where I've been. Also, did this AC not decide to just make a noise now? Anyway guys, wake up, it's the first of the month. Okay, I'm joking, it's the 2nd of Feb. I'm recording this, so I couldn't keep up with like posting in December. I'm sorry. And in Jan I was resting, so there's that, right? So today, I don't know, maybe I'll vlog, maybe I won't. I probably will, because so my husband is gonna go ride a bike from a certain place to come straight to the beach. So I'm going straight to the beach. Also on Tola Corner. But the weather doesn't allow today. Like, it just started raining. Also, rain here in Dubai is legit like 10 minutes. Because ask me why it was raining for 10 minutes. I thought like maybe it's like some real rain, things like that. But that's not what it was. Another thing is the lighting in this place is bad, and I just wanna film sit downs with like proper lighting. Like, even the natural lighting is not giving. It is not giving. In our old place, like bengena kahle lana angeni kahle, but here I am. Let's spend some time together because I'm basically gonna be alone when waiting for my husband. Okay guys, how cute does my hair look? Nina guys, let me show you how I'm dressed. Yeah, this is a short. This is a short and a crop top, but like the weather is not allowing. Also, look, out of flip liner. I'm out. Please look at how small this thing is. I can't find this lip liner at the shops, but I saw Gotivana on Amazon, so I'm gonna order it online. I had a pink one on. Hate it. Let me leave before my husband says I'm delaying us and he has to go ride the bike and stuff. But me, as for me, I'm about to go eat. I'm going to eat. Okay guys, see you at the beach. What's up, babe? Let's do you in the tube.
What up? Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
Ooh, you heard the man. Anyway guys, I did say see you at the beach, right? But like, I'm not eating beach. I need no food or anything. I'm just gonna go there and relax.
Just kick it.
While I wait for Mr. Who's a famous cyclist?
Don't know.
While I wait for Mr. going on a bike, yeah. To bike himself.
Biking.
To where I am. I look so pretty. Like,
You do.
you know what?
You do. Extremely pretty.
And my God, thank you to my God.
Yeah, my God. Thank you to my God. Now,
Talk about the weather. Look how gloomy it looks outside.
Bro, the weather is horrible. But like, for me, it's like if you wanna rain. If I rain, don't come for 10 minutes. But if it was like fully raining, we were gonna go out.
No, not us. Probably just gonna kick it inside. Yeah, no. But it's still like, it's not cold. Even if it did rain earlier on, it's not like super cold, so
Yeah,
why not?
guys, it's the 2nd of Feb. It's my girl's birthday, and she's entering third floor, babies. I'm done with third floor already. I'm a 93.
You're gonna join me.
Yeah, I'm a 94. Ah, baby, I still have time.
No, you don't.
I have 2 more years.
Yeah, it's nothing.
I have time.
Okay.
Me? As for me, I got time. Yeah, guys. Anyway, it's too late, but you know what? Happy New Year. I hope you guys have a prosperous year. I hope that like God touches everything that you guys
February.
want. Maybe it's blessings.
It's late, bro. Yeah, it's late.
This man is ridiculous, guys. God bless you guys. Is all I really wanted to say before the haters started hating. Okay, now I'm sleepy and I'm hungry and I feel like I wanna throw up. I always get car sick, man. Ever since I moved to Dubai, I've been getting car sick, guys. Oh. I've dropped Gloomy off though. Now I just have to go to Kite. You'll find me there. In Banchile. And I have a headache. I think it's because I didn't have breakfast. Guys, I want to tell you it's rare to have weather like this here, so I think I'm cool with it. Even though I have shorts and a crop top and all that jazz happening, it's so gloomy. I don't think it's beach day type of weather, but because Umpumi is going to ride the bike, he's gonna find me here. I'm gonna go eat. Like, I am gonna go eat. Here I am. I'm gonna go eat. It's warm, just gloomy, and I think it's okay, guys. Yo, wunini, umuntu adila ngeheat. Yeah. Okay, let me show you where I'm eating. It's windy. It is so cold. Oh my gosh. I had to put on my sweater at this point. I'm in a queue and then I go get it now. Hey guys, so like I said, it's a windy day in Dubai today, and it's cold, like it's everything today. But here I am. I've set up my tripod. Guys, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it is so windy, and I had my tripod on, right? Not on. I had set up my tripod, and I had my shutter 113. Fine, everything was going well until the wind decided to get so strong. My tripod fell. My phone was there, obviously, but it didn't break because it was so sad. My tripod broke. The thingy that I used to put my phone. The one where I used to put the camera, it's still stable. The phone one broke, but I'll just buy that attachment. I'll buy the attachment. Let me just go closer to the water now. That. Buy the attachment, I guess, when I get home today. I have another one from that other light. Maybe I'll use that one. So heartbroken. Oh my gosh. You never know, guys. I was using my bag to like at least kind of balance it and stuff. But hey. But anyway, guys, you need to clap hands for me. I did so much better today. I took out my tripod. Okay, bye.
If you get Java, come on, pass it down. I go just para, I'm a mind digger. I go just follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm kicking dynamite. I play your condo lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too.
I haven't been this cold since I left home. And that was how many months ago? Probably 9 months ago. Buyavanda, like it's really cold. I'm ready to go home now. Waiting for the taxi, then we're going home. Even my husband, he'll say, "Akhalele, it gloves off," but we're not gonna go get that because he's cold and he's tired. So Let's call it a day, guys.
Okay guys, so I was getting too cold. Like, I don't think my body is used to getting cold. Like, I hate getting cold. I know that from home, but because I haven't been this cold in so long, my body couldn't take it. Like, I had to get back home, take a shower. Now we are headed out to get some sushi. Silambile, but like not that much. Actually, I'm not hungry. We're getting sushi because we do need to have supper. And sushi is really not gonna like fill us up the way any other food would. So yeah, took a shower, wore this warm vest because yeah, guys, I'm gonna put on my sweater that I had on earlier on. Then I'm out to get myself some sushi. So
Hi, K. Alright, guys. This is it from us, right, Beth? Ain't nobody vlogging themselves eating sushi. Guys, but I'm tired. This is the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your comments down below. Bye.